Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and I'm going to show you a quick little feature in the climate control of the 2019 Audi e-tron Prestige called ionizing. It is so cool. So basically, in order to get to there, you go to vehicle, you go to climate control, and you have all of this right here. I told you we were going to go through this a little bit more in a few videos. So we are there. So right now we got the fragrances on, but this little button right here next to it says ion. All right, so basically what does this feature do? Well, let me tell you. So what it does is it actually allows for the dust and pollen particles that are in the air of your car to be ionized. The basic way of saying it, actually allow you to be more alert, and not only that, but clean the air and allow you to not get so many allergies. You know what I'm talking about? So anyways, in order to do this, you just press that and it'll start ionizing the air. And so in the past, I've actually used this just a little bit in one of these Audis just to experiment, and I really could feel a difference in the air. It was super nice, a little bit more clean. And not only that, but I really did feel more alert. I really did. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!